Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to our channel. Today my topic is the 10 best e-commerce websites builders for small business. Last updated on November 2, 2021 by Dan Brand Kellogg in Best E-commerce Website Builders Comments Nuance. Our independent research projects and impartial reviews are founded in party by affiliate commissions at no extra cost to our readers. Best e-commerce website builders for small businesses. Don't miss out. Discover the best e-commerce builder for your small business. If you are a small business owner who wants an easy to use platform that lets you set up a stunning online store without draining your bank account, then you are in the right place. We carried out in-depth research to discover the best e-commerce website builders for small businesses. We reached out to our on-site visitors who were looking to create an online store, and they asked exactly what was important to them: pricing, creating creative controls, sales futures who combined with data with our own through testing here at website builders expert to bring you this definitive list. Plus every platform we discuss either has a free plan or free trial, so there are no need for credit card commitments just yet. Number 1, Wix, Squarespace, number 3, Shopify, number 4, Weebly, number 5, Secure Online, number 6, Big Commerce, number 7, Volutions, number 8, GoDaddy, number 3, 3D Code, and number 10 and last, Big Garden. How did we create this list of the best website builders for CEO? The top 3 e-commerce website builders for small business are Wix, Squareness, and Shopify. You can see how each performed in our research by taking a glance at their start ratings below. These are rating Wix. You see website features 4 stars and 5 features, sell features 4 stars, and design technology 4 stars, help and support totally 5, value for money 5, customer score 4.5. This is Shopify, and this is other articles. Do you wish there was a quicker way to find out which small business e-commerce platform you should use? You are in luck. Our quick, easy quiz give you a personalized recommendation, so you shall know exactly which one is the best for your needs. Click below to get started. Are you ready for your personalized recommendation? Yes, start the quiz now. Best e-commerce website builders for a small business. Number 1, Wix. This is already read it. Okay, guys. So scroll down. Best e-commerce website builders for small businesses. Recap facts. Further information. And dot number 1, compare each online store builders for a more specific insight into e-commerce platforms. Check out our best e-commerce website builders of 2020 page, or see our review of the best e-commerce platform. Best e-commerce website builders for small business. The best e-commerce website builders for small businesses are: number 1, Wix, best overall e-commerce website builders for small businesses. And number two, Square, best for creative controls. And number three, Shopify, best for sell specific features. Number four, Weebly, and the one to watch. Number five, Secure Online, best value for money. And number six, Big Commerce, best for growth. Evolutions, more than you need but great for growth. GoDaddy, easiest to use. And number nine, 3D cards, more complicated than it's worth. Big Rattle, free to sell but very restrictive. You don't need any coding knowledge to use commerce platform, and you don't have to recognize web hosting or security. Anyone can join the e-commerce party. Sound great, does not it? In fact, the trickiest part is actually deciding which platform to use. Choosing a platform will depend on your needs. There are many things to consider, uh, but a few of the most important include number of products you have, types of products, i.e., digital, physical, service, how much creative controls you want, your budget, time constraints, scalability of your business. Now let's dive into each website builder to uncover more information. Further information. To compare these e-commerce builders side by side, check out our online stores builders comparison chart. Discover how to enhance your e-commerce sites with our guide to the best online business tool. Number one, Wix, best overall e-commerce website builders for small business. Price range $2-3 to $4.9 per month. Build annually. Head up, get 10% off your Wix plan. Wix was great value for money to begin with, but there has never been a better time to try it out. Enter the promo code taken at checkout to save 10% on you any yearly premium plan. Apart from combo and connect domain, start saving now. Wix pros and Wix cons. This is our Wix charts. So you extra eat and reading these sites. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.